Ah, 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 ah. Mic test, mic test. Ah, ah, ah. Mic test. Okay, it works. So after a day, we see a movement here. Just open the live stream to catch up from yesterday. Um, it did not go as I expected. I was expecting something like this and going upwards, and then finishing off ABC and then going downwards. But it did not go as I expected, and it went on a normal way with a normal ABC downwards. Um, so the trades, I am taking short here, um, planning to take out sometime here, a very short scalp. So what happened here was, um, let's count. This was a clear ABC, and this was also a very clear ABC. And here, when it was going down, we see a nice ending diagonal, very nice, with an A, B, C. Ending diagonal, something like this. So I expected to be making a triangle like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then go upwards. But now, but we see here there was a big short. This is due to the release of labor market in US right now, um, and the result came out to be just not too great, which would affect the higher interest rate in the future. That's probably what happened. So from chart technical point of view, I'll see this as an extension of ABC coming downwards. So instead of looking into ABC, now we have to look at, starting from here and ending somewhere here as an ABC. And C wave always ends in 5 waves. And we have to look at what are the 5 waves. So first, there's one case that we could look at this one as one wave, the second here as third, going up as fourth, and then going down as 5. So this is another a way of counting. You could also see this hole as 1, 2, 3, and 4 going up. It could be here, it could be somewhere here, and then 5 going down. Either way, I think the wave is ending either here or one more downwards. Something like this, downwards, and then ending here. And then I would expect something, at least a return of 382. Something like here. So it'd be a nice, nice trade. Unless there's a further extension downwards, which is still possible because this trend anywhere in this area is very dangerous. One movement can really push the price either downwards or upwards. So um, what I'm currently looking at is there is another wave going downwards. Um, actually, A, B, C, and then I'm looking at one more downwards with one, two, with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, and then 5. This could be the end. Um, However, so when I look into RSI, we see a nice 5 minutes upwards divergence. Pointing upwards. However, if we look into a further RSI divergence here, you see a hidden divergence. So right here, and the counting it actually is a ABC with a triangle here. I'll go further into details a little later. But we see a hidden divergence, which is not great for going upwards. And if we look into further 15 minutes, there's no divergence in 15 minutes. And usually 15 minutes is an indication of a bigger wave um, reversal. For example, let's see. Here, here it's not a great example. Let's see a bigger wave. Yeah, here is a nice example here. Divergence here. This one and this one. And something like, it's probably here somewhere. Um, Here probably. Actually not. Interesting. Here is a nice divergence. Here probably, yes. But anyways, these divergences really indicate well of reversals. So I am probably going to wait for the divergence and then going back upwards. So I actually took a short right here. I took a short here, expecting it to go down, but my trade setup would be something like this. Actually, something like this now. And then this is my number one take profit, and number two take profit would be something like here. Then I'll probably take long. Um, then my trading setup would be something like this. So if I go into detail in the counting here, what happened was an extension of a third wave, an ending fake breakout. So it's very clear ABC here, A, B, C, very clear. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then a very nice triangle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we start counting from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with an ending diagonal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with an ending diagonal. As you see, the angle is really steep. So it hit one time, two time, third time it didn't get resisted, and it broke upwards and came back. Um, and this is one of the typical trick that they use. But it is also nice to see what are the resistance here. In order to do that, I go into bigger time frame. See, looking at the ending candles. For example, here, it is quite nice here, very close. 1 hour, yes, it's right on point. So this was the resisting point. So this is the counting of ending of ABC. So in the end, this was a nice B wave, triangle B, with a nice A wave, ABC. So it is going down now. If I make a trend from the origin and extend it out, I see it was supported here. And in order for this to carry out a normal ABC, it would break this trend line. This is very typical ABC where ABC going upwards, ABC going upwards, and this trend line breaks, ABC downwards, and then go for C wave upwards. Or of course you can also go down. So it is probably going to break this trend line and goes down somewhere over here. That would be my first take profit point. And second, since I'm in a bigger picture, I'm looking to go down even more. I'll take my full profit down here somewhere and then get a full ride upwards. And how did I trade right here? Let me see the price. My price is at, entry price is at 19605. 19605 is 19605 right here. Why is this different? I'm in Bybit. 19605. It's actually here. 605. It's right here. But let's look into Binance. How did I enter this trade? It's quite simple actually. Um, when you count this coming down, it's actually A, B, C with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this, and hits the trend and goes up, and going upwards it was an extension. So there's an A, B, C, and it broke this line going down. It's a B. Now you have to count through wave going upwards, or multiple ways to count them as well. A, B, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and with an extension 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's actually how I counted. Let me see. Bybit. Yeah. So many of the many platforms actually have different bottoms. So either this is the bottom or this is the bottom. You see, they're different. But I took Binance as the more standard chart. So I took this bottom and then expected something like A, B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as ending right here. But it went through an extension. So it was something like this with an fifth wave extension. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And this 5 is very close to the Fibonacci 86, which is very crucial, plus resistance from top here. If I look into 15 minutes or 5 minutes, I see the ending candles are around this area, so it is a nice place to take short. The profit loss ratio is very nice. So you take a stop loss here. If you take it, you take your profit around here. Unless it comes out to be a triangle, then you just take a stop loss, or you see a triangle, a sideways consolidation, then you also um, you can also take it out anytime you want. So yeah, that's how I entered, and it looks like that single ABC is out. Um, and maybe it's going for a B wave, or let's see, 1, 2, 3. It may be it may come out something like a diagonal if something like this, but we'll see. So in a bigger picture, I do think this ABC wave is complete. Therefore, it's either a direction of going down or going one more up and get resisted around here. So which would be A, B, C. And I can only know that if it passes this line or this line. Until then, I'm holding. So let's see in a bigger picture where this might lead to. It broke the top here, so I believe um, it is going upwards. Maybe it could be something like this, an extension like that. It's possible. But let's see if you can, if it can actually support from here, because in order to support here, we need support from a NASDAQ, any stock market, the interest rate, and how people are, I guess, how the liquidity of the money flows into the cryptos. But I am quite positive about it. So yeah, we just wait. And another big thing that I'm very curious about is whether this wave, the C wave, is ended or not. Yeah, I could easily look this as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It may be done, but it's also possible that this is one wave, That's two wave, second wave, third wave, and then fourth wave, and then fifth wave. So the best way was actually taking partial long here, like about 50%, and then when it comes down, you just take another long with 50%. So you set your average about this area, and then take long. Maybe until here, and then come down, or here, come down, something like that. But from what I see right now, it seems a completion of ABC, and yeah, it seems fine. Yes, I will definitely take long around this area. If this comes out to be a triangle, or something like one, two, a triangle, and then going down, it is possible a B wave and then going for the C wave. If you guys have any questions, you can just leave it in the comments. I can answer them in the next videos. But yeah, that's for today, and bye bye.